If you're an RVer, there is a good chance you're not fully taking advantage of all of the amenities the RV parks and campgrounds you're staying at have to offer. I'm Renee Tilby, and I have been RVing with my family for the past 6 years, and during that time I have gotten very good at maximizing the amenities at the places we're staying at. Now, you might think that you have to book at a super expensive RV resort in order to take advantage of a large variety of amenities, but that is not true. The campgrounds that from the outside seem to be the most bare bones tend to be the ones that have the best natural offerings. Natural offerings like beach access, lake access, easy access to hikes, and other beautiful natural vistas. State parks also offer things like ranger-led programs, guided hikes, stargazing tours. They also tend to offer things like kayak rentals, boat rentals, paddleboard rentals. You can also rent things like pavilions to host events and cabin rentals in case somebody wants to come and join you on the vacation who does not have a RV. But if you are wanting more physical amenities, then you may want to look into RV parks and RV resorts. Most RV parks offer things like pools, jacuzzis, lodges, mini golf courses, walking trails, things to that nature. And then if you're really wanting an elevated experience, you can check out RV resorts. We have stayed at resorts that have things like lazy rivers, water slides, splash pads. They host events like poolside movie nights. They have on-site cafes where they deliver your foods poolside, really creating an all-inclusive type RV vacation. Now, if sports are what you're hoping for your RV vacation, then you're in luck. Most RV parks offer pickleball courts, tennis courts, basketball courts are fairly common. A lot of times you'll find horseshoes, bocce ball, badminton, giving you a large variety of things to choose from when you're planning your family fun time. Another fun place to find RV park amenities is inside the lodge, where they tend to have things like puzzles, games, movies, books that you can either use there or check out and enjoy at your RV site. RV lodges also tend to have workspaces where they have desktops, chairs, and spaces to plug in your devices, or you can go down, put your headphones on, and crank out a ton of work. A few other fun amenities that we have seen inside of RV lodges are arcades, game rooms. We've seen places where they've had free libraries where you leave a book, take a book. We've seen convenience stores, and we've also seen cafes where you can buy food right there at your RV park. Now, as much fun as it is to play pickleball or do a puzzle with your kid, it's also very nice to have some practical amenities as well. Most RV parks have an on-site laundry room with folding spaces. Some of them have vending machines in case you forgot your laundry detergent. And most RV parks have on-site shower houses so that when you're coming back from an adventure and everyone needs to shower at the same time, you don't have to max out your RV's water heater. Everyone can take as long of a shower as they possibly want, and it is so nice to utilize those RV park showers. If during your RV vacation you are in need of a package, then you can check and see if your RV park offers a mail service. Some RV parks even have an entire mail room that's extremely organized, allowing you to get all of your Amazon packages sent directly to your RV park. Now, you will want to check because not all RV parks do offer this, and if they don't, you can utilize nearby Amazon lockers to pick up any of your deliveries, or you can use general delivery at the local USPS in order to get your packages as well. And for better or worse, we all need to be connected to some degree or another, and most RV parks and resorts do offer free Wi-Fi at the lodge itself, and some even offer free Wi-Fi the entire campground. But that is quite a bit more rare, and oftentimes you'll find that you can pay for a Wi-Fi package to be able to have Wi-Fi directly at your site. You can also see if there's packages that will bundle your cable TV and your Wi-Fi. And our favorite RV park amenity are the planned events. When you check into the RV park, they'll typically give you a flyer with all of the events and information for your stay. But if they do not have that, it's also really good to check at the lodge. A lot of times they'll have a calendar, or you can check on their social media or website. But we have found the very best way is to make friends with a camp host or a ranger, somebody like that who's working on site, and ask them what fun things that are happening for the duration of your stay. We have participated in so many fun events. We have done things like Easter egg hunts, we have done craft nights, we've done s'mores, we've done movie nights, we've done trivia, we have done karaoke. That was a lot of fun. This is really a fantastic way of meeting other travelers and really feeling that sense of community even while you're on the road. So next time you're planning an RV vacation, make sure that you are booking in an extra few days in order to really take advantage and enjoy all of the amenities offered at the campground you're staying at. Thanks so much for watching, and happy RVing.